Apple MFI certified. Ensures complete compatibility with iPhone 13, 12, 11, 13, 12, 11 Pro, 13, 12, 11 Pro Max, 13, 12 Mini, XS, XS Max, XR, X, 8 Plus, 8 sevenths Plus, 7 sixths S Plus, 6S, 6 Plus, 6 fifths S, 5C, 5, iPhone SE 1, SE 2, iPad Pro, 9 in, 10, 5 in, 9, 7 in, iPad Pro 2, 12, 9 in, iPad Air, Air 2, Air 3, iPad Mini, Mini 2, Mini 3, Mini 4, Mini 5, iPad 9th Gen, iPod Touch 5th Gen, iPod Nano 7th Gen and Beats Pill Plus. New MFI certified chipset. This iPhone charging cable uses Apple's original C89 smart chip to recognize and connect to your Apple devices immediately. MFI certified cables provide a safe and stable charging solution for your devices. Incredible charging speed. Wide diameter wires and reduced cord resistance maximize charging speed. Supports up to 2.4 amps charging current. Added protection. An additional layer of protection has been added to the Lightning and USB ends to improve durability and reduce fraying. Secure fit. Sturdy unibody connectors resist damage while ensuring a secure fit with every insertion. What you get. Amazon Basics Lightning to USB cable, worry-free lifetime warranty and dedicated Amazon customer service. Top reviews from the United States. Short and perfect length. In this episode of I am the last person in the world to get a cell phone. I recently bought a cell phone which works with my car's Apple CarPlay feature. I needed to get a cord that would work with this yet not be 100 long and be in the way of everything else. Clean, simple, and around 1 long. This was perfect. And perfectly priced. Works great on my Apple iPhone 12 and seamlessly works with my car's Apple Play. I can see my music on the screen, view texts and the real bonus, use the Google Maps feature which I've struggled not having in a car without navigation. This is the best 12 money can buy.